Begin with the end in mind. जो भी चीज आप, जो भी कार्य, जो भी संबंध आप शुरू करें, begin with the end in mind. कहां तक जाना है, कहां तक आप पहुंच पाएंगे, where exactly you want to reach and what is the path to reach there. Begin with the end in mind. If your path and your end is clear, you will be able to overcome any hurdles during the process. Ed Moss थे 110 meters hurdler थे, more than 70 international and Olympic gold medals, silver medals and bronze medals. When he retired, he was also the chairman of the Olympic committee, the Olympics that was played in 2012 in London. He was asked by Reader's Digest on the day of his retirement that what is the secret of your success? 110 meters hurdles दौड़ते थे, हर 10 meters में hurdles आती है, कूद के जाना पड़ता है. Ed Moss said that hurdles I would never see them. और एक बहुत अच्छा वाक्य वे बोले, which is an inspiration to all people. He said, hurdles are those which you see when your eyes are off the goal. गोल पे दृष्टि है तो hurdles दिखते ही नहीं आपको. तो begin with the end in mind कि वहां तक पहुंचना है, वो गोल तक पहुंचना है, तो hurdles आएंगे और आने ही चाहिए, बहुत कुछ सीख पाएंगे उससे. But you don't get disturbed. So begin with the end in mind. एडिसन थे, 10,000 प्रयोग किए, फेल हुए, फिर भी प्रयोग चालू रखे और आज ये लाइट की भेंट हमें दी है. So sustenance, persistence, if you have the end in mind. If you have the end in mind, persistence with patience is a good quality that will naturally reside in you. और इसमें इंटीग्रिटी की बात भी आती है. वहां तक पहुंचना है लेकिन ठीक ढंग से पहुंचना है. एथिक्स, नॉर्म्स और डिसिप्लिन से कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके नहीं. और उसमें अगर कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया तो तकलीफ आ सकती है. Even if the name of your company is Satyam and you go for asatya practices. Even if you are the king of the skies, you have to leave India without Indian passport. Yes or no? Even if you are the Sahara of thousands of families building homes for them, you can still be a Sahara in TR for 4 years. Even if you are an ace pace bowler of India, if you go for sport fixing, you cannot avoid a life ban. So whoever you are, whatever you are, wherever you are, don't play with ethics, norms and disciplines. Initially अच्छा लगेगा, easy पैसे आएंगे, लेकिन एक दिन ऐसी परिस्थिति बन सकती है, it can make you zero from hero within seconds. So begin with the end in mind. Stephen Covey writes in this book that the successful people I met had this thought in their mind. By the second habit, begin with the end in mind, I told you 2 things. First, you decide the goal and whatever happens in between, you don't care for it. You go for the goal because you have the end in mind. And second, during the process, you don't make an ethical mistake. If you make an ethical mistake, you don't have the final good end in your mind. Did you get me?